it's Adrienne Finch. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm taking you guys around another day in my life as a millennial self-employed entrepreneur who runs 2 businesses, 1 employee, and has 6 different revenue streams. So it can get a little crazy, but I'm gonna take you around. Today is a big content day for me, so I am recording some videos, recording a podcast, and doing some like Instagram photos at my house. And then tonight I'm actually going to a movie screening, so I will take you guys along to all of that. Thank you so much to Stitch Fix for sponsoring this video, and without further ado, let's just get into it.
All right, guys, so you know I love to have an early morning. I'm not gonna fully go into my morning routine because I have put this in so many videos now, and I'll link a couple below. But we're really just more gonna talk about how I schedule and plan out my content and what actually happens when I am taking my content.
It is currently 6:43. I just woke up.
I like to get in a morning workout all the time. I have just found that I feel so refreshed and good when I get a morning workout in. I'm ready to conquer the day. I'm so much more motivated and I feel so much less stressed, which is awesome. The next thing I do when I get home is take care of a lot of my admin stuff. So I do business coaching and have a podcast under the Self-Made CEO name, and then I have all of my YouTube work, of course. So it's kind of a lot sometimes. So I take this time to check my DMs, respond to emails for a little bit, and really just prioritize getting all of that admin stuff out of the way so I'm not stressing about it all day. And then I usually revisit that at night as well. I very specifically schedule out my days, mostly so that I'm not stressing about things while I'm trying to do other things, because then I find I just get distracted and I'm not able to complete anything at one given time. So here I am just going over my day, and it's nice and early enough where I don't feel stressed. No one else is even awake yet. So I'm just sitting here getting started on my day. I preach this all the time, which is funny because I used to never be a morning person, but it's insane how much you can accomplish before the average person wakes up if you just get up a little earlier. I have 2 videos that I'll link below, how to be a morning person and also me waking up at 5 a.m. for a week. It was a little experiment. So check those out.
All right, I just got out of the shower, so it's time to get ready. Getting ready can be extremely time consuming. So there are kind of 2 strategies that I use to make getting ready a little bit more efficient. Number 1 is that I like to use a productivity and scheduling method called time batching. I'm actually gonna be doing an entire video on time batching, but overall it just means that I'm pretty much batching everything that requires me to be on camera, so me having my hair and makeup done, into one day so that I can get ready once, and then the rest of the week I don't have to do that whole process and waste that time. And then the second strategy I'm gonna tell you right after I get ready. Be right back. And now I'm ready. Okay, see, that took 45 minutes. So like, I can't be doing that every day. I do feel good once I'm ready, which is why I just want to whip out as much content as possible in that day. The second thing that really helps me save time and be efficient when getting ready is this brand called Stitch Fix. I'm someone who honestly isn't the best at styling outfits. I'm one of those people that looks in my closet and ends up wearing like the same literal thing every single day, which when you're pumping out content over and over again is not amazing. So I found this really awesome brand called Stitch Fix. It's a personalized styling service that basically sends me outfits to my door based on a styling quiz that I took right at the beginning that helps my personal stylist really get to know my style, what I like, what I don't like. That way they can help choose the best outfits, especially if I have events coming up. Like during the holidays, things are so crazy. December is my busiest month on YouTube. Plus we're going away for the holidays and I don't want to be working the whole time during the holidays, even though I usually end up doing that. So this is a perfect time to kind of have a stylist sending me clothes that I can wear to these holiday parties and events without having to like take a bunch of time out of my day to think about the outfits and piece them together and buy things online. So right now I'm gonna go change to film a video from the outfits that I got from Stitch Fix and see what I'm gonna put on. I'm thinking of wearing this cute tank top I'll show you on in a second, and I just think it's really cute. I also tend to get kind of warm when I'm filming just because I get like anxious and nervous. I don't know why. I'm in my own bedroom. So I'm gonna put on this tank top. The beautiful thing about filming talking parts is that you can't see my bottoms. So here's what this top looks like. I think it is so cute. I love how it kind of has this square neckline situation going on. I decided to just throw on some pants and shoes just to show you what an outfit could look like. So I just have some skinny black jeans and some gold booties. Time to film a video. What's up, you guys? It's Adrienne Finch. Welcome back to my channel.
So I use a website called Airtable to schedule and plan all of my content. It actually is a lifesaver. Without it, I literally don't know how to keep track of when I need to film what, and I'm constantly filming like multiple videos at once. As you can tell, I'm literally filming a video of me filming a video, so it can get confusing, and Airtable honestly is great.
All right, so now that we're done filming that video, I am going to probably go take an Instagram picture in this top because I really like it. Then I'm gonna change my outfit and do another Instagram photo with a different outfit. When you get your fix, you basically get to like try everything on and decide which things you wanna actually purchase. So this is definitely a top that I'm gonna keep and purchase because I love it. I think I'm gonna take an Instagram photo holding this light up box, but I think instead of Self-Made CEO, I'm gonna write 2020 is my or something like that. And then like hold it up and just take a cute little picture. I feel like I'm constantly pumping out content, so sometimes I don't get very creative with something like Instagram because it obviously comes secondary to YouTube. But lately I've just been trying to go the extra mile with my photos, where even if it's one little thing, what can I add to this to make it a little bit more creative, make it stand out a little bit more than just a basic photo. So this just took me 2 seconds, and I feel like it's just gonna make it a little bit better. It's not this crazy thing, but it's like not just me standing there.
Where do I want to do this?
Morgan's not in town right now, so basically I'm gonna be using this little phone attachment on my tripod to do a self-timer picture on my cell phone using my Apple Watch, because I'll be able to actually see the picture, which is a really cool little life hack. I think I got one, and I love that this is what my sign now says, but that's why there's Photoshop. All right, outfit number 2 is this really cute jumpsuit. It's like flowy and has pants. Pants, duh, it's a jumpsuit. It's flowy, but it's like very flattering. Really love it. So I'm gonna take some pictures in this. I was just fooling around and trying on a funny hat. So one of the problems when it gets to be like fall and winter is that I just run out of daylight so quick, which is why oftentimes, especially on film days, I like to wake up at 5 a.m. or just very, very early to get that head start on the day, so that while it's still dark out in the morning, I can be like planning videos, planning content, and then I can pretty much start filming like the second the sun rises. Because right now I'm losing it. It's only 4:30 and it's like getting dark out, which is crazy. We got to do this. We're chasing the light. I got 2 more outfits to do, and then we can move on to podcasting.
Then I did one last outfit with some potential merch for Self-Made CEO, and then finally the photo shooting was over. So I actually didn't end up recording a podcast today because I ran out of time, which is fine because I got a ton of filming done. But here's what the studio looks like on days when I do record. I either go into the studio or I do it at home, and it's been so much fun.
So it is a bit later now. I took off my crazy pink lipstick and I'm gonna get ready to go to the movie screening. I'm going to the screening for Like a Boss, and I gotta get some content there, a little bit of footage for this video obviously, but also some footage for my Instagram. So I'm just picking out an outfit now. I'm leaning towards this adorable cheetah print sweater from Stitch Fix. I'm really just going all out with my Stitch Fix outfits today. So on this little sheet they give me like styling suggestions, and so they suggest either like a black dress and some booties, or like some sort of bodysuit, jeans, and sneakers. Since this is a little bit more formal, but not as formal as wearing a dress, I think I may pair it with some jeans, but some either white or black jeans, and also a bodysuit and some like knee-high boots or other booties. But I love that they give you suggestions and they totally just like help you pick out outfits, which is actually really nice. Okay, so here is my finished look. So I'm wearing the cardigan with this black top, some fake leather leggings, and knee-high boots. And I am just absolutely obsessed with this sweater. It makes me feel so comfy and cozy, which you guys know is like my favorite thing, but it also makes me feel very put together and kind of professional. Hi! Here's Lauren, she's coming with me.
You look so cute.
You saw, thank you. If you saw my last video, I was talking a lot about how I just want to start sometimes looking more professional, but without compromising my style, because I feel like I like to be comfy and cute.
Hot AF.
Oh, thanks. Huge fan, so soft, feel how soft.
Yeah, wait, what? I really like this.
Ah!
Oh, you are so festive.
I feel so stylish and holiday-ish.
You are.
Look, Lauren's ice skating. Just kidding.
Just saw the movie Like a Boss.
Boss.
What'd you think?
I liked it.
It was so funny.
Tiffany Haddish.
I know, they're hilarious.
Okay, so now I'm gonna edit my pictures that I took for Instagram. So how I edit is I basically just go through my whole camera roll and pick my favorites and favorite them. And then I go into either Lightroom or VSCO and use a preset. Now, the presets that I get are from Etsy and they're very, very inexpensive. So I'm just gonna show you a little abbreviated version of how I edit my pictures. So I open Lightroom. We're just gonna import a picture from my camera roll. And then I basically just go to my presets, and I already have these little folders. So Wassy Bossy is one that I bought from Etsy. And then I just try the one that I normally use, which I normally use 2. Might need to adjust some things. Yeah, so that's pretty cute. I'll also show you another picture. So here's a picture that I took during that little shoot, and I took this one on my stairs. So I'm gonna put on my preset again. That makes it way too light, I feel like. Okay, I kind of like that one. Then here's a little trick if you want to be tanner. You go to the orange tones and you drop the luminance. See how it could make me like super brown? So you drop the luminance, but then you also drop the saturation so it's not super orange. And there you have it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, you should subscribe to my channel. You should give it a thumbs up. My channel has everything from productivity, entrepreneurship, business, social media, iPhone videos. It has everything.
Also, if you guys want to check out Stitch Fix, the link will be in the description box. They actually have gift cards available, so that can make a perfect holiday gift. Check them out.
So I hope you stick around. We have a lot of fun stuff coming up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.